To start a message and see all start messages on the Messages app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Messages app. Tap the conversation where the message you like to start is in. Long tap the message bubble and then select start message. You can see that the selected message will have a yellow star icon next to it. To see all start messages, go back to the conversation list. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select start messages. Here you can see all messages you have started before. You can tap the message to view it. Given to the function, you can use this feature to mark important messages so that you can easily find them without you have to dig into conversation. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.